Okay, we are here eating. What did you eat? We are at Slaughterhouse. Come on. Huh? Happy graduation, anak. Ay, happy birthday. Kiss kiss na, kiss na, kiss na, baby. We are here at Slaughterhouse now. It's 12 noon, May 31, to celebrate Tahalia's 2 awards. There's Mama and Eric's. We are here. We're eating kilawing kambing. Kilawing kambing, kaldereta, pinapahitang kambing, kalderetang kambing. And what do you call this, Talia? Soup. Sanrio soup. Sanrio. Soup ng Sanrio. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Lord.